natin. Hello, Cha. No avatar. I have it. There you go. Good eve, guys. Kamusta? Is it at the center? Tama ba yung pagka-center? Okay, let's continue the game. Sana hindi na lag. Baka mag-bug ulit. Thank you for sharing, Jim. Wait lang. Para naman. Happy Mother's Day pala sa mga mothers nyo. Kung hindi nyo pa sila nag-greet niya. Kaya akin ang dadalhin sa di mo inasang paraiso. You won't play at night. Yeah, but I still haven't played yet, so yeah, we gotta finish everything. Thank you. Galing nga kami sa buffet. Grabe, busog na busog ako. Sakit na ng tiyan ko. Hindi ko nga natikman lahat. Kaya nalita ako ngayon. Galing ako sa buffet. Tapos nagstay pa dito sila sa bahay. Thank you, Casey. Happy Mother's Day rin. Wait lang, alisin natin muna yung hala, thank you ah. Why is there nya something? Buffet. Yeah, hello Shin. Salamat, nak. Okay, pati ako. Toki Kurumi. Konbanwa. Gomenasai. Nihongo wakannai desu. Wakarimasen. Nihongo wakarimasen. Happy Mother's Day. Kamusta? Anong ginawa niyo sa Mother's Day? Mother's Day na Mother's Day. Horror tayo ulit. Alin na yun? 9:22. Ito no, last. Nothing. Di ka nag-greet? Kumain din. Kumain kaya, nagluto kayo sa bahay or sa labas? Okay, try na natin ulit yung map. Eat out. Ayun, may mapa talaga. Bug lang yung kahapon. Ano to? You are here. They have work. After, work, wala kayong ginawa. North. Okay, nag-north. North. Ay, south pala. The dyslexia. South pala. Hello, Ashi. South. Four-legged carnivore and side by side. Never movement has made. King of all the birds flew higher than. Use me. I-use daw yung basurahan. West. Oh, wala akong naintindihan. Ano ang gagamitin natin doon? Happy Mother's Day, Levi. Happy Mother's Day to your mother as well. Try muna. Wait lang. Use me daw. Gamitin natin ang pangit ng kinanta mo kagabi. Sorry naman kung napangitan ka. Bakit mo ba? Thank you, Amy. I'm not a mother yet though. Southbird use trash. Wow. Southbird use trash. Di ba ito yung trash? I'm not a mother yet, but thank you. Today is cry of fear. Tumayin na kayo. Kakakain mo lang kasi. Baka this. Yung trash. Uy, sayang yung mag. Gamitin lahat ng trash. All the trash can. Adventures. No! That's not the wish I want you to give me. Batang ina, pero matatag. Magiging ganun tayo soon. What's this game really about? This game is about saving someone in 4th floor. Pinoy VTuber. Yeah. Wala man magamit na basurahan man. Uy. Baka to. What pa? Use trash can. Okay, side by side. Dapat yung 4-legged is side by side. Maybe dapat sila side by side. So, itabi natin sila. Paano sila i-move? Kalimutan ko na paano sila. Side by side. Paano ko nga sila na-move last time? Sa taas. Don't look back, but not in-game. No. I have all my lights on. Wait, asan na siya? Wala na siya. Where is everything? I cannot see. I can't see. Down, then left. Thank you, Casey, for the gifts pala. Hindi ko na kasi narito. Ha? Alin yung nag-move? Ha? Down. Bro, the direction is not directioning. Hindi siya gumagalaw, eh? Ha? Yun yung gumagalaw. Oh my God. Iba yung tinitignan natin. Side by side. Pero isa lang yung nagagalaw. Thank you for the portal. What is the portal? Thank you. Thank you, Amy. I don't know what portal is, but thank you. Pati sa likod. Wala na. What is the everything? Side by side daw kasi. Side by side. Wait, next. Shift to south. Okay, yung birds south. Wait, basahin na nga natin. South, and then the owl is nothing was the king of all the birds flew higher than the owl, gloating as he went. Because her beast didn't want her sleep to come, so she fled to the west. Wala na, maintindihan. Saan anong baka ito west. 'Di ba yun siya? natin alam kung saan ang north-south dito. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for the follow, Ree. Thank you for sharing, ito, walang ito, west, diba? West. Ay, hindi, west. South. South. Saan ang south? Paano ko malaman ang south? Kung wala man tayong direct, maybe, ilagay lang. Sa south. Sa baba, ito yung arrow. Ito, fly higher. Fly high. Fly high. Ang hirap naman ng puzzle na to. Kayo daw Thank you for the follow. Nui and Pangeran, thank you. Thank you for the follow, Aika. Alika. Tignan nyo daw. Hindi ko mag-gets. I don't get it. Uy, ba't ang dami ng tao? Hello, 35 viewers. Happy Mother's Day. Good night, Chantik. Good night. What is Chantik? I don't know what Chantik is. Hello. Salamat malam. Salamat malam. Oh! Wow, you know Tagalog, Ami. Amy. How do I read your Ami? Amy. Anong nagets nyo? Wala akong magets. Bobo na ako dito. Hint na. Pwede mag-hint? Is there a hint in this game? Yo, Henry. Thank you for sharing my matangina pero matatag. Hello. What? Thank you, Ami. Thank you for the hand hearts. Uy, 5. What the hell? Thank you. Oh my god. That's so many. I'm not doing anything. How's your day? My day has been good. Thank you, Ami. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the hand hearts. May isolve na daw natin. Hello, Jimenez. Hello, we were meant to be. Sana all. Thank you, Ami. Thank you, thank you. Yung controller ng horse. Ano yung controller ng horse? Hello, squirrel. Oy, there's so many people here. How? Hello, 73 viewers. Hi. I don't know if you guys are Filipino. I'm Filipino. Thank you, Ami. Thank you for the portal and the hand hearts. Thank you, Ashi. Why are you laughing, Kasip? Happy Mother's Day to everyone that stopped by because of the portal sent by Ami. Thank you, guys. Nasa likod ng horse statue. Thank you, child. Thank you. Thank you, what is that emoji? How long have you been? About a month now, I think. Almost a month of streaming. Sa likod ng statue. Ito pala! Oh my god. Press it, I dare you. Hala siya? No! Hello, Manuela. Thank you for the follow. I-press ko ba? Are we gonna press or no press? That's good to know. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, Woozy. Thank you. Thank you for the heart me. Uy, anong higalaw? Ay, anong higalaw? Now lang nag-outin sa birth ko eh. Uy, anong gawin ko? I-press ko, baka may lumabas na something. Pero where? Wait. Side by side. Four-legged carnivore. Side by side with prey. Yung prey, equestrian to the west. What is the equestrian beast? Gawin lang yung pinto dyan. Sure. Ay, nakatakot na eh. Ito pala siya. Ba't di natin ito nakita? Okay na yun. Nag-open na ba yan? Probably the horse. What do you mean? Huh? What do you mean, igalaw? May certain direction ba? Kung saan siya gagalaw? Hello, Mozoki. May compass sa taas ng basurahan. Saan ang basurahan? Wow, thank you, Brad. Thank you. Basurahan. Sa baba lang ng map. Huh? Di ba ito yung basurahan? Left side. Di ba left to? Yung map, miss. Ito ba? What do you mean left side? May ilaw. Huh? Baba ka sa stairs. Ito. Okay. Simple compass to. Okay. So, south. Tama yun. Diba? South natin siya pinunta. Ang owl, di ko alam kung saan. Sabi daw, higher. Ito, side by side sila. So, itatabi natin sila. Cry of fear. Ganyan? Side by side. Diba? Tama. Hello, Jess. Hello. What is the name of the game? Cry of fear. Diba? Magkatabi daw. Side by side. She fled to the west. Ano yung nag-west? Yung owl? South. West. Nalito na ako. Saan siya pumunta? Okay. Kanyan? Okay na? Want to pull up YT tutorial for this one. It's pretty hard, yeah. Mali ba? Diba? Sabi niya south yun. West 2. Eh, ang west is here. Name game. Cry of fear. Cry of fear. Tama ba? Is that correct now? Cry of fear. Kaya, takbo na tayo. Ang tagal. Uy, magwa 1 hour na tayo dito. Yeah. Ha? Di ba magkatabi na yun? Magkatabi na yun. Ano pa yung mali? She came upon the river and headed south. Punta siya sa west. Anong mali natin? There will be a cutscene if you finish the puzzle. Ah, okay. Hello, Kyomaru. Di ba nasa south na siya? That's south, right? Thank you for the follow, Rose. It's west. What is wrong? What did I do wrong? The owl. Okay. Ay. Yeah, I don't know. Pero west eh. The horse goes west. Owls goes south. Eagle goes north. Saan yan galing? Wait lang. Gusto ko siya maintindihan. Bakit naging ganyan? As a whisper in the dark, she came upon a river and headed south. Ah, so ito yung owl. Yung nag-south. Okay. Owl is south. Eagle goes north. Bakit siya nag-north? Kasi for like said, and goes where the prey is. Sinide by side ko lang sila. Wala, di ko na alam yung original. Yun pala yun. Okay, so south yung owl. Ano na nga yun? Tapos north, ito. Tama, diba? Ah, ito yung compass. Yun, south, tas north. Tapos, the brain is not braining. The brain is loading. Tapos, ito, side by side. Hindi ko na alam yung original na position niya. Ginalaw na natin eh. Boo. Hello, the wind. Wala pa rin. The lion goes where the prey is. So dapat parehas na north. Since nakaharap sila sa north. Ganun ba? Tingnan, since nakaharap sila, try siya. Sige. Pagod naman ito. Mas nakakapagod maglakad. Bakit kasi ang layo-layo naman nung sa isa, sa taas? Ay. Wait, saan siya pumunta? Wala. Mali. Walang nangyari. Hirap naman ang anong... Di ba tama na? Para sa silang papunta sa unahan. Sa west yung horse. Sa west. Yan? Tama diba? So, sa west din yung lion. Your name is E. Yes. Yeah, my name is you. Kaya takbo na. Ay, buang ka. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ba't siya na ganun? What? So, si lion dapat sa west. Ay. Sa west din. Mali. Okay. Wait, save tayo. Parang ayoko na yun maulit Save tayo. Save tayo. Tara tayo sa number 1. Hello Hernan. I'll send us a DM po. Anong isa-send mo, be? What are you gonna send? Hello, Kimo. Thank you for the follow. Do you know you from an anime? Yeah. Storage room lang siya. Inventory full. Hala, kailangan ko mag-alis. Alisin na natin to, no? Wala naman na tayong bala, diba? Meron pa ba tayong bala? Ay, 3 meron. Anong alisin ko? Knife? Okay. Gate key. Uy, may sniper, oh. Ano alisin ko? The second prettiest girlfriend in my class. Oh, who? You? You have a classmate that is you name? I see. Kunin ba natin to? What is this? A knife. Yung knife. May alisin na ba natin? Wala na tayong ano. Dapat may isa tayong ano man lang. Pang suntok. Oh, I see. Hello, Min-an. Pistol, alisin na natin. Ay, ano yun? Drop. Ano ba yan? How to, press shift? How to, require stamina. How to, ay, pwede siya mang suntok, ganun pala. I am for you from, why? Use key muna bago kunin yung sniper. Pwede. Sige, drop. Saan ko use? Middle mouse. Mamaya na daw yan. Wala na, namatay na ako sa... Oh my God. Walang bala, walang bala. Ay, pwede ba bang makabalik? Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Balikan na lang natin yung ano. Nakasilip doon. Truthness. Okay, tapos kunin natin yung sniper. Bawal siyang maano, no? Ah, pwede. Okay. Middle click to zoom in. Wait, try natin. Huh? Wow, astig. Okay, okay. Hala, makikita niyo yung sniper skills. Hindi siya hold. Dapat hindi i-hold. Yung sniper skills ko, basura guys. Naging Valorant true. Yan, may bumabaril sa akin. Huh? Bakit man nanginginig man, kuya? Saan yung bumabaril sa akin? Ayun. Okay na? Kuya, wag ka manginig. Nanginginig si kuya. Shift to steady scope. Ah, okay, okay. Wait. Wait, let me just try. Shift. Ah, okay. Huwag ka manginig, kuya. Kalma. Okay. Wait. Shotgun tayo daw. Ito na lang. Yeah, Cry of Fear. The game is Cry of Fear. Saan na naman yan? Where? Where are you? Saan yan? Wala akong... Huh? Saan? Kita nyo ba? Wala ka na, kuya. Alis na lang ako. Ay, yun pala si kuya. Kuya man. Ang hirap. Okay, wait lang daw, guys. Nasaan yan? Mag-heal ba ako? Dito naman tayo. Uy, may save. Okay, mag-end na. Okay. Uy! Paano yan, sir? Paano i-answer? See? Ah, hello, Shin.
Hello? Hello? I can't hear you. Who is this? How did you get my number? Can you help me? What the fuck is going on in this town? You're... What? You're up on the roof? I can't hear what you're saying. Hello? Hello, are you still there?
Okay, kailangan natin pumunta sa roof. I love... Oh, I see. Okay, can you coach me? Ah, wala na. Iniwan na tayo. Okay, bye-bye. Maybe pasok tayo. Parang medyo malag. Parang ang baba ng FPS. Should I go back? May daanan pa ba dito? Parang wala. Wala man dito. I think babalik tayo eh. Saan tayo? May daan? Where? Ba't wala akong makita? Ay, gumalaw siya mag-isa. Okay, save. Alin yun? Ito diba? Yan, para hindi na kailangan pumatay pa. Where is the daan? Here. Ah! Okay. Sa gate. Love. Uy, si Ashi may kaaway na. Ay! Buwang ka man! Ay! Nalis ko yung gate! Wala kuya, asan ka na kuya? Wait lang mo. Mali pa yung nausog pa yung avatar. Wait lang. Nausog pa, oh. Naalis ko yung laro. Okay. Kainis naman. Bigla naman kasing lumalabas. Wala man lang sound. Bakit parang ang baba ng FPS ko ngayon? O diba bigla siyang lumalabas pa eh. Dahil saan siya galing? Oy! Ayan, gumagana. Wait kuya. Wait kuya. Ay, mali. Wait kuya. Ito kuya. lang. Okay, heal na tayo. Ay, okay. Kala ko hindi pa naka-reload. Ano ba talaga, kuya? Ah, sa bush sila. Yun. Uy, ang dami. Sabay-sabay. Ba't di ko nakikita sa bush? Ayan siya. Very good yan, Ashi. Very good ka. Wala naman na, diba? Malag! Parang... Ay, siya ba? Asaan? Bulag ba ako? Inventory full. Pang ano ba yan? Ano yung lang alisin natin? Alisin muna natin ang pistol. Drop muna natin. Dig a hole since any patches with these two films to be used as weapon. Saan daw? Certain patches. Ito pang ready. Dig daw. Magdidig tayo. Saan? Mili. Okay na yan. Ganun lang. Next mark. Dito? Ay. Ay, kala ko. Maghanap tayo. Baka may something. Ayun kasi. Oh! You are here. The X is here. Okay. You are here. So, atras tayo. Ano yan? What? Dito? Dito? Baka dito. Yes. No. X. Hindi siya pwede maikot eh. Kailangan may ano, may mapupuntahan. Saan ba yung X? Huwag na kasi balikan ng X mga everything na yan na. Uy. Ay, madaming X. Huh? Ito pa pala oh. 1, 2, 3. I'm here. Baka sa labas. Huh? Hindi, Waspet Gardens eh. Sa may stage. Saan yung stage na yan? Bayan, dito na naman tayo sa ganito eh. ka from the start. Di naman tayo lalabas. Dito lang naman pwede mag-dig. Wala man ang X. Baka sa may basurahan. Ay. Wala. Baka sa may bush. Baka sa may puno. Map awareness 0 truth. Tama naman na! Di ba tama? Di ba address lang? Ang dami niyang X eh. O, tignan mo. Ito, dito tayo. Hindi doon tayo. Diyan o, X. Pero walang X. Paano kaya ito na-solve ng mga first time na naglaro na walang titignan, no? Hirap naman. Huh? Wait. Pwede tong gamitin. Inventory full daw. Okay, wait. Huh? Wala man. Yun. Wala na. Wala tuloy yung ano ko weapon. Ayun. Ano yun? Ba't may nakalagay na? Hello, I cannot read your name. Hello, hello. Bakit nagsabing? Andoon yung barrel. Ano ba yan? Kala ko naman may something else. Sana yun? Ito na lang tayo. Oh, yan na. Hindi ko alam. Asan yung X? Wala man yung X. Hello, noodles. It got crosses of blood. We should check it out. Inikot ko na yung buong lugar, kuya. Okay. Maybe sa ganito. Where? Ay! Baka ito. Yan! My God! Ano ba yan? Ay. M16. Para saan yun? Hello, Bogart. Okay, kailangan natin maghanap ng ganun pala. Yung parang bilog. Bilog na something. Ito ba? Bilog ba to? Sa lahat na lang kaya tayo maghanap. Lalo, ba't yung earbuds ko? Wait. Sana yung isa kong kakaisang earbuds lang. Hindi ko ata na-charge. Oo nga, low, ba't nga yung lalagyan? Saan na tayo? Napunta na natin to. Ata yun. Tapos ito pa. So may isa pa. Hala! Hala! Ano yan? Ay. Ano yun? The hell? The hell? May eyes. Sorry. Di ko alam ba't may ganun. Check natin ulit. Ba't na ganun? Hala. Ay, hindi. Bug ata to eh. Bug. Feeling ko bug yun. Bug. Maghanap tayo ng ganun ulit. Parang below. Isin ko na yung sound. Parang below. Yun na! Nag-crash! Nag-bug na naman siya, be. Nag-bug! Kaya pala nawala yung... Kaya naging red yung screen eh. Okay. Wait lang, buksan natin. Ba yan? Ano ba yan? Pa nga nag 1 hour, nag-bug na yung laro, guys. Ay, nako. Opening. Yun lang. Hindi ako nakasave. Nag-bug yung laro. Nag-crash. Tagal natin dun. Okay lang, at least alam na natin yung... Biglang ano yan? Yung mapa naging red. After naging red nung mapa, nakakalaro pa ako. Tapos, bigla na lang, wala, nag-crash. Wala, hindi ko na-save. Hindi yun na-save. Makikipaglaban ulit tayo. Nakikita nyo na ba? Nakakonect pa ba to? You finished the game? No. It crashed. It bugged. Thank you for the follow, Skull. Yan, ginagaya na ni Casey yung sinasabi ng Wise. Thank you for the heart, me. Saan na tayo? Kainis naman, ha? Saan na ito? Hala, nag-save ba tayo? Hala, saan yung last nating save? Waspet Gardens naman pero eh. Okay. Shotgun na lang daw tayo, may ano naman. Ayan. Okay, may lalabas dyan. Saan na yun? Eh. Saan yung iba mong kasama, kuya? Saan yung iba mong kasama, kuya? Saan na yun? Ayun na. Asan pa yung isa? Pag nag-bug to ulit, iwan ko na to, guys. Simon or... What is Simon? I don't know Simon. Sige, sige. Bye-bye, Ashi. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Ito na lang i-drop natin. Wala naman tayo ng ano. Sana nga yun ulit. Di ba dito yun? Ito. Another one. Wait, hanapin natin siya daw. Ano yung nahanap natin? Ito ata. Wala na. Huwag na magmapa. Wala na. Ito ba? Considered ba to? Di naman. Wala naman na iba, diba? Ito. Ito ba? Hello, Lego. Ito, parang may pump, pero hindi. Ito ba na to? Ilan dapat? Nakadalawa na tayo eh. Thank you, Noodles. Thank you, Syringe. Ay, nakapagod maghanap. Hindi pa to. Ay. Hindi siya eh. Something is blocking the door. Huy, may something there. What is that? So my door. Ay naku, saan pang ididig na yung everything? Ha? Ano to? Yung kaninang door din ba? To same door ba? No, I haven't seen him. I don't know. Alin to? Tatlo dito. Tatlo doon. Ay, nakakapagod naman maghanap ng ano. connection. Uy, parang madaming kalaban na darating ah. Daming binibigay sa akin ah. Uy, sabihin nyo nga kung may nadadaanan ako. Ito, ano to? Umikot na tayo, nakailang ikot na tayo dito, oh. This is the, okay, no. Kaso hindi ako makadaan. Stuck. Sabihin niyo kung may nadaanan ako mali. Kita niyo, ako hindi ko nakita. Bilog na parang ano na dito. Ay, napagod ako. Yung mata ko. Napapagod na ako. Thank you, Alan, for the follow. Thank you. Tulugan ko to. Parang 2 hours tayo nga hanap dito. 2 hours hanap ng ano, butas. Maya yata sa kabilang side ng entrance. What do you mean? Dito? Ito? Someone is blocking the door daw eh. What do you mean sa kabilang side? Di dyan. Ah, here? Wala eh. Where you came from, like... Wala. Yung pinuntahan ko, diba? Dead end siya, dead end. Ano yun? Here? Oh! Door is locked. na lang, dito na lang ako, mamamalimos. Parang ayaw naman tayo papasukin man. Uy! Sana ba yan? Ilan na yung nadig ko? Apat na ata, apat. Ilan ba dapat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? 9 nga. 9. Apat pala. Apat pa lang nahanap. Alam mo, bago pa tayo mamatay, isip ko na muna sa... Lima pa. Okay. Save muna natin. My dirty patch sa right side. Okay, wait. Huh? Doon ba? Sa kabila? Doon sa kabila. Sa labas? Excuse me. Alin? Do you mean? Dito. Very good ka talaga, Casey man. Anong ibaba ko? Ito na lang, no? I-trap na natin. Ay, sa wakas. Uy. May nag-growl? Di ba may nag-growl? Huh? Huh? Where? Huh? Kaso, hanapin natin saan siya ng baba to. Wait, save muna tayo. Yan mo siya mambato. Para hindi na natin tumali. Bago pa tayo mamatay, save na natin. Ay. Where? Ano ba yan? Sanay ako sa... Natatamaan ba ako? Sa park? Ay, nako, nasanay ako sa... Wala man. Alam mo, ito na lang daw. Saan yan? Hanapin nun. Meron pa? Ay, nako. Nasasanay ako sa Valorant. Ano to? No, it's from Valorant. Save tayo ulit. Nakailang save. Wait. Makakailang save tayo dito. Truthness. Ano, di ko mas ma okay. Sorry, Valorant player lang. Sorry. Ay, hindi dito. Doon ata to eh, sa kapila. Ay, stuck ako. Pag patapos na tayo dito. Hindi pa nga tayo natatapos dito eh. Yeah, I did. Pero yung offline, yung ako lang mga computer lang yung kalaban ko. Uy. Dilim. Shit. Uy. Kainis. Pag may save na guys, ayun, may save na nga. Bukas naman. Wala, ano yun? Naka-hoodie na ako, ganun. Custom mode hoodie daw. Sana all. Sana all. Hop, may something, may something. Baka may daan dito. Baka sa labas ang pupunta. Babalik ako. The door won't Bakit? Anong pinag-uusapan niyo? Babalik ba tayo sa labas? Nakakailang save na tayo. It was the window. Window? Ba't hindi makadaan? How to daan? Hindi pa rin. Kahit kanina. Ba't dahil? Kanina nag-crouch jump ako. Ayaw sa akin. Uy, feeling ko may jump scare dito. Yung biglang lalabas dito. Tapos mamamatay ako kasi mahulog ako. Ay, wala. Ano yun, jump? Wa. Uy, mahulog ako. Kanina nagka-crouch jump ako. Oh my god, I'm gonna meet the girl, okay? Kita mo, huh? Crouch jump. Bakit? Okay. Ayaw na naman tayo ipag-crouch. Where are you, ate? I'm here, ate. Jump pa ako dito. Uy. Buang. Saan yan? Ay, ayun. What is that? What is that? What is that? Anong sound yan? Thank you for the follow. Ano? Saan akong daan? Saan ang daan? Eh? Ledge. Bakit man nahulog yun? Paano mag-hug ng wall? Dahil nagdire-diretso lang naman ako. Crouch. Dito pa lang, wala. Ayan. Dapat nakatingin sa taas. Wala na yung gamit. Thank you, Jackson. Thank you for the roses. Wala na. Wah! Ano ba yan? Paano mag-hug ng wall? Uy, may something, may something. May something talaga, may something. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ayoko yung sound. Uy, ang dilim pag nahulog tayo. Wala pa.
What the? Sophie?
Wala man
What
si
the hell are you
Sophie.
doing here?
Ha? Sino?
Well, hi, Simon.
Siya si Sophie.
What? I don't understand anything.
Hello, Sophie. Oh my God, Sophie.
Understand?
What do you
It's
think?
been a while.
The whole fucking city is crawling with monsters, and I'm just. I mean, suddenly you just turn up on these rooftops.
Truthness.
What
Sophie,
are you doing here? Are you hurt?
manananggal ka ba?
Monsters? Simon, you're scaring me.
Oh my God. Monster si Sophie.
This is
Hindi
just
niya alam na may monster. Monster
Well,
ata siya. Isa siyang monster.
Maybe it's just.
Si Jason.
About something else. How have you been?
I don't know. I'm just confused.
Not too bad, thank you. Better now that you're here.
Uy, parang may balak si ate. Better now that you're here.
I'm glad you're here too, Sophie. I've been alone all this time.
I see. Sounds tough.
May something kay
What
ate.
about yourself?
Promise, may something.
Why are you here? Are you hiding up here from those things?
No. I really don't understand what you're talking about.
Feeling ko isa dun si ate.
Just thinking.
Thinking. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of that too. Do you remember how you got here?
I don't know.
Ay, hindi niya rin alam.
Because I woke up myself, but it wasn't an alley, and wait, I can probably show you.
No. Hush, Simon. Can't we just sit here for a while?
Ay, may something talaga. May something.
Yeah. Sure.
Sophie. Ay, okay ka lang. Magde-date sila,
Do you
okay.
want to know something?
Tapos tinulak.
Yes. Yes, I do. I want to know just what in the fuck is going on here. Is it about that doctor guy in the gas mask?
Doctor?
Isa lang naman ang panghila.
Simon, please.
Syringe.
No, I mean about school.
Yeah. What?
Well, I don't know if you knew, but I always had a hard time at school. You were pretty much the only guy who was kind to me.
Nagdrama si Sophie.
I never said it, but I really want to thank you for making my life a little bit more bearable. You're a cute guy, Simon.
Yeah. Yeah, you did have it pretty. Thank you.
Yeah.
I guess I helped you because I liked you. You were one of the prettiest girls at school, and I don't know, I guess I wanted to protect you. I don't love you, but I think I could if we got to know each other better. You're so beautiful, Sophie.
Why haven't you said anything?
I never had the courage. I mean, I wasn't exactly the toughest kid in school, was I? But now we're here alone. I feel stronger. I've always liked you, Sophie.
Oh,
Ah.
Simon, I don't know what to say.
Biglang
I
nag-confess.
always liked you too, but not in
Ano
that
yan?
way. I always thought that you were just a friend, nothing more. I'm sorry.
Laro kayo, ate.
But shit. Damn, so much stuff has happened lately. All this craziness, the darkness and the monsters. I think I'm going crazy.
Truthness.
I'm so glad I found you.
Tapos monster na si
I
Sophie.
know. A lot of things have been going on lately.
Yeah, really. Was it you who tried to phone me, by the way?
Yeah, I wanted to talk to you. To get away from it all.
Oh, but what? Out here?
No, away from everything. From all this.
What? What do you mean?
You know full well what I mean.
Ah, magpapakamatay si
Wait a
Sophie.
second. You mean all? No!
Oh, papakamatay si Sophie. Sophie, pumunta pa kami dito. Papakamatay ka lang naman pala.
Sophie. Why did she? What the fuck? This isn't making any sense.
Ay. Biglang lumitaw. Ang random.
Was it you who made her do it? Why?
Si Kuya.
Why?
Ang random naman ng monster. Kainis. Saan ako? Paano patay? Bibigis. Ay. Natatama ba? Hindi ko alam kung tumatama. Ano bang tatamaan? Ay, ay. One hit lang ba yan? Okay, now what? Si Sophie. Kainis. Coke. Now what? Kainis ni Sophie. Babalik. Wala naman ang ibang daan, diba? Babalik. Kaya nga nakakatakot. Saan na yung daanan dito? Nakalimutan ko. Asan yung ano? Pahulog na lang ako dito. Pwede ba? Di naman ata ako mamamatay kung mahulog ako dyan, diba? May something pa ba dito sa rooftop? Name of play for edit. Cry of Fear, cause I'm playing it right now. Samahan mo si Sophie. Jump kami ni Sophie. Plane, Cebu Pacific. Ano pa? Anong klaseng airplane? Asan na yung ano, yung ito? Bababa na ba ako? Or is there something else? Nakatakot mahulog. Ulitin ko lahat. Oh. Babalik na ba ako? What's next? Low pa ako eh. Baka may something else pa. Pwede ba ako mag-jump dito? Mababa lang naman, no? Pwede. Sige, jump na lang tayo dun. Jump na ako, Chesor. Thank you for the follow. Follow. I cannot read your name. Thank you. Oh yes, get it. Get what? Pwede ako mag-jump dito, Chesor. Tapos save tayo. Tapos ano tayo. Yes, okay. So, babalik na ako. Tama ba? Nakakakaba mag-jump. Uy, magja-jump na naman tayo. Oh my God, nakakatakot mag-jump. Tapos mahulog. Wala namang ibang daan. What? Okay. Very good. Kainis. Okay. Paano nga dito? Kainis. Ano ba yan? Kasi may ganun. Pag nahulog tayo ulit, bala na yan. Next week na daw. Uy, mahulog na nga. Kainis. Ano ba yan? Dapat kasi, horror kung horror, walang paganto man. Uy. Ano ba yan? Ay, car. May kalaban pa, di ba wala naman?
What the? Sophie?
Bawal ba mag-bawal? Wala nang bala. No, it's I'm playing solo. Yeah, it can play multiplayer, pero I'm playing solo. What the fuck? Ayoko na. Wag na. Kainis! Last attempt. Kainis, bakit kasi may pagganon? Ayoko na. Dapat ina lang pagtatalon para walang problema sa buhay. Diba? Thank you, Skyr. Okay lang yan, Skyr. Kahit late ka, Skyr, makikita mo pa rin kasi paulit-ulit na kami dito. Lagi akong nahulog. Kahit late ka, okay lang. Wala kang mamimiss kasi paulit-ulit na kami ditong nahuhulog sa everything na tong nakakainis. Hey, let's go. Level 12 na siya. Ay! Hindi dala to funny stuff. Yung funny stuff paulit-ulit. Wala namang nangyaring funny stuff.
What the? Sophie?
Ayoko na. Bakit kasi may gano'n? bawal madad. Okay, walang silbi kung magdad. Okay, tapos mahuhulog lang. 'Di ba? Mahuhulog lang ulit. Asan na yung ano? Mahuhulog na naman tayo. Hinga muna bago tumalon. Hinga muna. Kainis, ba't kasi nahulog? Tubig na tayo. Yan na naman tayo sa talon na to. Pwede bang stop na tayo dito? Kainis, ba't kasi nahulog? Tignan mo dapat dito. Okay. Bam! Okay. Tapos dito. Dapat dyan. Diba? Wala namang daan ng iba. So, dapat tatalon tayo. Ito lang naman. Diba? Tulungan na lang kita yun. Tas good night. Tutulungan o good night? Ano daw? Tatalon. That's slanting yung talon. With the physics 45 degrees? Ay, hindi. Mga 30 degrees lang to. Mga 30 degrees to the right. Bakit ayaw niya? Parang naharangan ako nung nasa Bakit di ako maka-jump? May naharangan ako ng wall. Baka hindi ako magja-jump. Kailangan ba mag-sprint? Ayan. Ayoko na. Pagkatapos na, pag nalagpasan natin ang jump na yun, matutulog na tayo. Ayoko na. Kainis ng larong to ah. Wala talaga tayong bala ba? Ano to? Wala na talagang bala. Okay. Yung mga controls nalilito pa rin hapo. Ay, ano ba yan? Reload. Ay, hindi po pala. Tama ka na, Sophie. Kanina ka pa nagdadrama. Nakailan na tayong... Hindi na ako inaatake. Hindi niya ako inatake. Kuya naman, galingan mo magtalon, kuya. Hindi na pa tayo, kuya, oh. Ano ba? Pag nahulog tayo dito ulit, tulog na tayo. It means, wala na. Nahulog tayo sa iba. Mali pala yung nahulog. Nahulog tayo sa maling tao. Sprint, shift. Practice tayo ng talon daw. Sprint shift. Wait. Bakit? Hinga muna. Okay na ba? Tapos na sobrahan nahulog sa gilid. Wow. Wow. Kailangan ba nandito ako? Pwede na ba? Pwede na tumalon. Kainis! Whew. Oh my God! Ah! Okay. Asan na yun? Huh? Saan tayo duman? Ito pala. My God! Thank you, Lord! Saan na yung daan dito? Eh? Saan yung daan dito? Ay, ayun. Ba't ayaw mag-i? Hoy, okay. Ito na naman tayo. Ito na naman tayo. Hi. Yeah, that's me. Save. Save that because ayoko na yan pagdaanan ulit. Hey, let's go, Vampy. Alis na ako? Yun na yun? Wala tayong pupunta na iba? Pa dito. Check the body. Body nung alin? Body nung ano? Ni Sophie. Sa baba. I don't know, bro. Don't ask me. Lalabas, legit. Saan ko man i-check yung body ni Sophie? No, we're still playing the game, bro. Baka, baka sa taas pa. Baka dapat hindi mo na ako bumalik. Yeah. Ay, saan? Pero sabi niya, diba, dapat, ay, babalik na ako. Kaso. Wala si coach. Meron ba tayong nakuha ang gamit? Wala naman, diba? Yeah, Jorge, wala na. Basta na-save na natin. Okay lang mahulog kasi na-save ko na, diba? Okay, save natin ulit. For the sure. How are you, Halana? Para sure. If I die. Well, they wanted me to play. I don't really play horror games. I like gunning instead of horror games. I like guns. Ay, uy. Dito pala. Oh, nice, nice. From the interview? Your interview was successful. Your interview was successfully connected. Yeah. GTA San. Wala akong GTA. May bayad yan. Di ba? What if magja-jump din pala ako gaya kay Sophie? Uy. Are we gonna... What else is here? There's nothing here. We're trying to find the next step on whatever this is. Maybe here sa kabila. If dito. There's nothing there though. Happy Mother's Day, Ian. Thank you, thank you. You're already on job training. Wait, how about the interview last time? What happened? Uy! Huh? Ah, okay lang. Easiest way to go back. Here. What's the next step? I killed everything. Back sa park maybe nga. Oh, I see, I see. What kind of job did you apply now? No, it's not like Phasmo. There's sa pinto. Okay, okay. There's this one has a story. Ano yun? Something is blocking the door. Okay. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. That's cool though. You can play with the guitars there. You know? Night na. Anong night na? Okay, teacher. Oh, thank you very much, teacher. Wait, huh? Where am I? What's the next step? Thank you for the roses. Thank you. I don't know the next step for this, so we're just gonna... Okay. Let's continue this tomorrow, maybe. I don't know the next one. Let's figure it out tomorrow. Guess it's already late as well. It's already 11 p.m. I think there's something else that we have to figure out on this building. Where Sophie died. Bro, I have online classes tomorrow. I have online classes tomorrow. Okay, I guess that's it. I guess that's it. To be honest, I sleep I sleep on my online classes. Nora. I sleep on my online classes and then Di ba, ano, the link expires. So when I wake up, there's like a new link, and then I become absent instead. Because they take attendance at the end of the online class, bro. So I'm still absent. Now the teachers know I'm not paying attention, bro. I mean, I don't really enjoy online class, so it's fine. Yeah. Okay, let's just. Oh, what the hell? Let's just end with that. Let's finish with that. Okay. Diba, load game? Anong, quit na ako? Ano pipindutin dito, Casey? Para ma-save.